Hello everyone, today I'll be taking you through the captivating world of Juan Luna, one of the greatest Filipino artists in history. Well, explore three of most iconic painting, Tampuhan, O Hymen Hymeni, and The Parisian Life. Each piece not only showcases artistic genius but also tells a deeper story of culture, emotion, and identity. Let's begin with Tampuhan. Painted in 1895, this oil-on-canvas work captured a uniquely Filipino scene. A lover's quarrel, the man looks away through the window while the woman turns her back, both clearly upset but still physically close. Their silence speaks volume. What makes Tampuhan powerful? Its subtle storytelling, a moment so ordinary yet deeply emotional. Luna use of lighting and subtone, giving a scene a melancholic atmosphere. The traditional Filipino house setting also reminds us of our roots, its quiet but poignant reflection of Filipino romantic relationship. Next, O Hymen Hymeni, a neoclassical masterpiece that won a silver medal at 1889 Exposition Universelle in Paris. The title is reference to the Roman god of marriage. Hymen and painting depicts a traditional Roman wedding procession. This work is a grand celebration of classical theme, filled with movement, rich color, and idealized human form. Luna's technique, her was influenced by European academic art, but its success on an international stage was also a statement that Filipino could match the artistic standard of the West. It's not just a painting, it's political and cultural triumph. Lastly, we have The Parisian Life, complete in 1892. At first glance, it shows woman sitting in Paris cafe, light casual, almost flirtatious, but look closer. The man in the background are Luna, Jose Rizal, and Ariston Bautista. Many art of historians interpret the woman as symbol of Philippine attractive, mysterious, and somehow burned. The distorted curvature and her figure echoes the shape of the archipelago is painting rich symbolism, highlighting the socio-political climate during the time of Philippine Revolution.